Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This video useful and helpful for you. Then how to fix notification delay issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have force restart your iPhone. If notification are not working on your iPhone, force restarting the device can often be the quickest and easiest solution. This process will easy turn your iPhone off and on again, clearing out any temporary glitches that could be causing problem with app notifications. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. Then second solution, you have ensure app notification are enabled on iPhone. If you are not getting notifications for a specific app on your iPhone, often the most plausible explanations is that you have not allowed the app to send you notifications. If you should enable notification for the app through the setting app. So you have opened the setting, any app is notification is not working, so then you have opened the notification, so you have select from here and then beauty camera allow the notification from here. Any app you have want is notification is not working. Then third solution, you have ensure focus mode is turned off. Focus mode on your iPhone can silence notification even we are not actively using it. If you are not receiving notification, check if focus mode is enabled and turn it off to ensure all notifications are delivered without fail. So you have opened the control center from here, so then you have click on focus mode, do not disturb mode, and this time turn on, then you have click and turn off. Then third solution, you have fourth solution, you have turn off schedule summary. Although the scheduled summary features on iPhone can help you manage notification easily without getting overloaded, it can inadvertently so then silence alerts you need to see immediately. Therefore, you should see if turning off schedule summary helps you fix iPhone notification not working in iOS 17. So you have open the setting, click on notification scheduled summary. So I have already turned off, then you must be turned off. The last solution, you have turned off low power mode and low data mode on your iPhone. If you are not receiving notification on your iPhone, so turn off the low power mode may be solution. While these modes are useful, that known to restricted background app privilege on your iPhone, which can cast notification to delayed or not delivered. So you have opened the setting, scroll up, then you have click on battery, turn off the low power mode on your iPhone. I have already turned off. So then hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.